Hey everyone, welcome back. I have something pretty cool to show you all. So there is a plugin called Lottie files, and this is one of my favorite plugins. So all you need to do is go to your plugins and select it. This is a plugin that you can definitely use. You're going to need to create an account, but you can get a bunch of free little GIFs, animations, that kind of stuff, and throw them into your designs. I am going to try and find a confetti animation or GIF that is transparent, and we can actually place that into our design right here. So let's get to it. Let's see if we can find something. It's super easy to use. What's going to do is when you open this plugin over here, it's going to say, you need to log in, and it's going to redirect you to your browser. And when you are redirected to your browser, all you need to do is sign up. They have a variety of ways to sign in with like social logins and whatever. So really easy to do. So go ahead and do that if you want to follow along here. And then once you're ready, we can continue. But I'm going to jump right in and I'm going to start typing confetti. So we have a bunch of different options here. And I just want like a nice little confetti pop right at the end. So say I do that. Okay, that's pretty cool. Let's see it again. So, okay, that's beautiful. We can even customize things like the actual animation timing to see if there's something that we really do like here. Okay, so let's go back. I'm gonna pick one. As you can see, there's so many to choose from. Even I'm a little, confused as to what should I pick here. I'm gonna choose this one. Yeah, that one's cool. So I don't want it to loop. I'm gonna convert it to a GIF. I'm gonna add it to Figma right now. There it is. I'm just going to close. So I have my asset over here. So I'm going to make another copy of this. So that way, we can have it whenever we want. I'm going to send this to the back. And let's see how this plays out. So instead of going there, I'm going to go there. And I'm going to go to my cart. I'm going to go to checkout. I'm going to pay now. Awesome. That looks pretty cool. And, like I said, you can customize it so that way it's either you can customize the colors. You can, customize whether it loops. Right now I have it looping over here, but you can put some pretty cool little animations in there. And if you had the time and you wanted to just go and search for whatever you think is best, this is okay. It's not on brand, and it would be nice to customize some of these colors, but it's really little cool way to get your designs just a little bit more polish and excitement. And maybe it's a great way to even talk to your developers about what you expect here, and maybe they can find some different types of resources to do stuff like this. So every little bit of motion can really help add a little bit of excitement like this.